to Rocksensor, redefining precision and reliability in process instrumentation. Today, we present to you the cutting-edge RF3200 Coriolis mass flowmeter, engineered for accuracy, performance, and unmatched reliability. Here is a step-by-step procedure for setting up the RF3200 Coriolis mass flowmeter. Provide power supply. Begin the setup process by providing a 24V DC power supply to the transmitter. The secondary wiring board is designed with clear identification of various interfaces to help ensure seamless wiring based on your specific signal output requirements. Connect wiring based on signal output. The wiring method depends on the signal output you require. The secondary wiring board guides this process. Here are the wiring options details. Current loop, 4 to 20 milliamperes, or HART protocol. When wiring for this output, connect L+ as the positive side and L- as the negative side. Pulse output signal. For a pulse output, connect P+ as the positive and P- as the negative. RS485 Modbus communication. To use RS485 Modbus, connect A for the positive signal and B for the negative signal. Power terminal, DC wiring for the DC power wiring itself. DC+ is the positive and DC- is the negative. Utilize the display and interface for configuration. The RF3200 features a high-resolution LCD display with 4 lines of backlit information, designed for readability in all environments. You can easily configure the display values using the 3-button interface. Menu/Enter button. This button is used to navigate through function menus. Up button. Use this button to scroll up through options. Down button. Use this button to scroll down through options. For quick access or navigation assistance, you can press the up and down buttons together to return to the previous menu. The RF3200 operates on the Coriolis effect principle and is capable of delivering precise measurements for mass, volume, accumulated flow, temperature, and density. It has a versatile design that supports various flow rates and allows for seamless system integration. The setup process itself is described as simple and straightforward. From the display menu, you can effortlessly switch between mass flow, mass F, volume flow, vol F, standard cubic feet flow, SCF-F, mass total and volume total, SCF total, density and temperature. Experience precision and performance with the RF3200 Coriolis mass flowmeter, your solution for accurate, reliable, and hassle-free measurement. For more details, visit our website.